Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain 6.4 exercise 8th question. 8th question is given that once I will read the question which is given in the textbook. 8th question, in a mixture of 28 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 5:2. Set up the equation between the mixture and milk. Draw its graph. By observing the graph, find the quantity of milk in the mixture. Here it is given ratio between mixture and milk. Okay, ratio between mixture and milk 7:5 is given. That is into. Okay. Now see here given information. In a mixture of 28 liters, the ratio of milk and water 5:2. Here in the mixture, given mixture, milk quantity 5, ratio water ratio 2. Okay, the sum of the terms, ratio terms, in the ratio we have two terms, first term, second term. Okay, in the ratio of sum of terms we need to take. Okay, sum means addition, so 5 plus 2 7. Okay, now quantity of milk, we should write the relation. Quantity of milk x is equal to 5/7. Why we are taking 5 only? Why we are not taking 2? Why? Because here we are taking quantity of milk. Milk is 5. So I took here 5 by total ratio. Okay, quantity of milk ratio 5 by total ratio into y liters. Okay, x is equal to 5/7 by liters. This is the relation. Okay. After that, we need to do cross multiplication. So we should get 7x is equal to 5y. Okay, this 7x is equal to 5y also we can write as 7x transpose of plus 5 will becomes minus 5y. Okay, is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variables. Okay, after getting linear equation, then we should find out xy values. Okay, now I am taking here x values just 10, 20, 25, 30, 35 like that. So I took only here 3 values. By substituting x values, we should get y values. How we should get y values? Let us see. If x is equal to 10, now you can substitute 7 into 10 minus 5y is equal to 0. Now 70 minus 5y is equal to 0. Now 5y is equal to 70. Transpose of minus 5y will becomes plus 5y. Okay. Now y is equals to 70 by 5. Now you should do the division. Okay. 5 ones are 5. Okay. Otherwise 5 sevens are also we can do. So easily we can take 2 is the remainder and carry down 0. 5 fours are 20. Okay, so 14 you are getting y value. 14 you are getting y value. Okay, now x is equals to 20. Similar way, x is equal to 20 also you should take and substitute. You will get y value, corresponding y value. Okay, 7 to the 14 means 140 is equal to 5y. Directly I am writing. So y is equal to 140 by 5 you will get. Now after dividing you will get 28. Y value 28. In a similar manner we should take x is equal to 25 and we have to substitute 25 minus 5y is equals to 0 and we have to multiply. You will is equal to minus. Okay, I am multiplying 25 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 to the 14. 14 plus 3. 70. Okay, 175 you will get 175. Directly I am writing is equal to 5y. Now y is equal to 175 by 5. Okay. Now we should do the division. Okay, now we should do the division. You will get the y value 35. Okay. I am not having time to do. Very easy only, no division you can do yourself. You will get compulsory 35 value. Okay. After getting xy values, now you should take x axis and y axis, and on x axis you will take x values, that is quantity of milk. This is the mixture values. Okay, quantity of milk 10, 20, 25. Just I am taking 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and these are the mixture values 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Like that I am taking 7 difference I am taking. Why? Because I don't have that much space to explain that. Okay, you can take yourself like 2, 4, 6 also. It will get good plotting of graph. Okay, so now x is 10, y is 14. X is 10, y is 14. Now we can locate the point here. Now 20, 28, 20 is there, 28 is there. Directly straightly you can see and locate the point. Next to 25, 35. 25 here, 35. Okay, you can locate the point and how to join these 3 points. Now you will get that is a 7x minus 5y is equal to 0. Linear equation, that is. And after plotting graph, now you should write the scale. Scale is very important. Okay, on x-axis what you took 1 centimeter. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 5 units. 5 I took, no? Here 5, 10, 15 like that. So on y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 7, 14, 21 like that, means 7 units and I do. Okay, now from the graph we need to find out, wait a minute, we need to find the quantity of milk in the mixture. Find the quantity of milk in the mixture. This is the mixture. Okay, this is the mixture on x-axis. And this is the quantity of milk. Quantity of milk. Okay. Now, quantity of milk. Quantity of milk in the mixture. By observing the graph, we need to take quantity of milk in the mixture. 28 liters. 28 liters mixture. In this 28 liter mixture, how much quantity of milk? 20. 20 liters. The quantity of milk in 28 liters of mixture is 20. 20 liters of milk. 20 liters of milk. Okay, this is the quantity of milk. This is the mixture. Okay, in the mixture of 28 liter, how much the milk quantity? 20 liters. Okay, this is the 8th question solution. I hope you understood. Thank you.